life is good. You know what I mean? Like, $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the neck finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automotive bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, called it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh, granted, she was standing right there while I catch a play on the brick. Ooh, I made them little niggas go, hey.
It's been months, it's been too long, baby, you.
Hey y'all, it's J Mary, and today I'm back with another video. And today, y'all, this is the spring break vlog, the spring break prep vlog. Maybe I don't really even know if I'm finna even vlog me going in this mall for real, because I'm going in there for my graduation photos, and it's really like, it's nothing, y'all. It's nothing. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get to the mall, though. But welcome, y'all. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure first of all, make sure you go like this video right now. Make sure you like this video, and if you're not subscribed, welcome. I'm so sorry. I'm J Mary. As you can see, like, I'm trying to like express my personality a little more, like, because I feel like I be so stuck into like the way other people act and the way other people talk on YouTube, but it's based off how you act. It's your channel, your energy. So, but yeah, y'all. I'm really loving like that everybody is tuned in with my hygiene blog. Like, people was commenting. 2 people had commented, Gloria, I fuck with you. You already know you my girl. Make sure y'all subscribing to Gloria. If you're not subscribed, make sure you go subscribe to my girl. And someone else asked me about my camera. I have a Osmo Pocket 3, and somebody else said something about my playlist. I seen that comment, y'all. I'm gonna put it down in the comments below soon, but that's not my playlist. I had stole it from High Key, but I had edited it a little bit, so y'all probably would want my music. But I got y'all. I'm gonna give y'all that playlist this video.
I'm feeling pain, can't bear nothing, things from way down. Your mind reminds me, I try to keep up. You saw it in me, I see it first. I give it up all right now. They know I'm on the back out to the circle. Traveling all around the world, go where I wanna go. It's my life. Don't believe the rumors, what you wanna know now. This way it's supposed to be. They be telling me I'm slept on, nobody noticed. But when I hit that, oh, I bet you know it's me. She got the drug out on top, I was playing my faith in that bitch, and she got me to get. She the one bought me, I'm hopping, I gave it to Yank, and I told him just for the go shoot. Fuck every nigga that's in it. I got the bitch in the jungle, I got the beans on boo. Making me boom up inside of the stool. Yank and I got it, you know what he do. Shot in my shot, I tell her come through. Mind if I stole that bitch?
We at Crafty. People. Hey y'all, so we is at Crafty. We got our thing. And I'm about to go down. I ain't even getting to it. But that sound fucked up being in the video. Y'all, this shit hot. Y'all look. Huh? It's good. You like it? I'll try it. I am scared though. Y'all, we trying oysters. It's good.
Want to taste it?
I bought some. You said steamed, right?
Shishi, and the it's turkey.
This shit hot. Ooh. Motherfucker. Great. Alright. Hey y'all, I don't know if I told y'all, but Y'all, we're getting a tattoo today. We're finishing my sleep today and we're getting a haircut. So it is the next day. It's March 20th and it's 9:31, y'all. It is early. I'm finna run to Chick-fil-A and go get me some food. And then after I leave Chick-fil-A, I'm finna go to my haircut appointment. So I'm actually finna go on the app right now and order him up right now. And I'm finna hurry up because I'm low-key pushing time for, oh my God, the numbing cream. It's right here. I found it, y'all. Thought I was going down there, but no, gotta be nuts. Alright, y'all. So, we're about to head down there right now. And then once well, no, we're not about to head down there. We're about to head to my haircut appointment into Chick-fil-A. So, I'm gonna see y'all when I get in the car. Hey y'all, so I wanted to try something new and record a reel off my Osmo Pocket 3. So today we're just gonna be spending the day with me. Right now we're at Chick-fil-A, y'all. We're at Chick-fil-A. And they're taking a long time and I have a haircut appointment at 10. So yeah. Almost forgot. Hey y'all, I'm filming a reel and
Hey fam.
and I forgot to vlog.
You see him? Oh, you just put him? No. Pro. That's not pro. Well, yeah. The type of parties that nigga be throwing from the fucking huge. It might pop up. I guess the jit who's like throwing it. Like I always seen him throw house parties and they be fat.
And so basically some shit you see in a movie.
Bro, yes.
Basically. It is. And I had went and bought this sponge. I got my shit in my bag in the car.
You got this one?
Mm-hmm.
Tight shit. But so I heard the other one, like the other one that I had.
Yeah.
I heard that one's like that one catches the hair more.
Really is true.
Yeah, this one like literally don't pull shit.
Nothing.
And it works too. Like,
No, it actually do work.
So.
Longest distance, ain't no fuck, she go to spin. Look me in my eyes, tell me how you have a witness, and we ain't kidding. Your folks, so you can have the smoke. Light out with that Drake, let's be OVO. What the fuck is, how you wanna be on the team, you ain't down the scope.
Yeah, we're at Dollar Tree. I low-key don't feel like going in there. One thing I can say I don't like about my car is my app is messed up right now. Hey, I'm not parked that bad. Shit, I don't care. My app messed up, so like I can't lock my car while it's on. So I don't fuck with that. I really don't fuck with that. Like I hate that a little bit. But I'm gonna get back to y'all once I find this Instagram route. Like you seen it? It's probably a digital. Hey y'all. So we're finna get a car wash. You probably talking about a digital camera. Ooh, stop. I don't know. He told me to come out? Yeah. And yeah. We at the car wash again. I know y'all tired of seeing me at the car wash. I done been to the car wash like 6 times. I'm not coming to the car wash no more. For real. For real. After today, if you get in my car, you dirty up my car, I'm not gonna lie, that's an automatic fade. Let's get back into the car wash. Yeah, we finna go get this tattoo. We finna go get this tattoo, y'all. We here. I woke up and came because he said he was waiting on me, y'all. We had fell asleep. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get in there and get everything settled. And I'm not gonna lie, when he got right here, this he heard it.
He put something on your elbow. What's the focus?
Yeah, we done. And everybody been asking me who do my tattoos, so you gonna have a lot of people come in. We'll go like, thank you. All right. Hey y'all, it is the next day. Got my tattoo, as y'all can see. I didn't touch the inside because, baby, where he got right there, that hurt it. Not today. I told him not today, and it was like 11 o'clock, almost 12. I was ready to go home. Today is senior skip day or senior whatever it is, bro. But it's not even my school that's starting. My school zone was yesterday. I'm going to a whole different school zone because I see black people on the flyer. Why not? Why not, bro? I'm not going to school today. I have my black outfit right here from Fashion Nova that I'm about to put on. I think I'm gonna insert a clip. Hey y'all, so this is my outfit for senior sunrise. I just wanted to pop in here and tell y'all that really quick. You already know. This is the outfit. I just want to give y'all a little, like, let's get into the material though. Like, really get into the material. Yes, Fashion Nova, sponsor me. They need to start sending me some free stuff. Yes, y'all, get into it. My room is a little junky. Ooh. My room is a little junky right now, so we go clean it up real quick. And y'all, my spring break starts today because I'm not going to school Friday or Thursday. Thank you. Today's Wednesday. Got stuff to do. I think y'all seen it. I think y'all did. I think. But I'm gonna go near my tattoo down, near my legs down, and get ready because y'all already know how that go. Like, when it's time to get ready to go to the beach, you gotta get prepared and be ready. So yeah, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video, like, for real. Like, yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all because my best friend probably just texted me, and I'm finna hurry up and go get in the shower. What's up, man?
Cute. So guys, we're on our way to the beach. I'm scared. Stomach turning.
We gonna take a picture. Yo, you hit my car, I'ma fuck you.
You could turn right there too, but that's oh shit, Jermaine. Ooh,
right,
let's
y'all.
find white shit in here.
He got kids.
Oh.
Mommy.
Going to this fucking beach, like, this is bad.
This is really bad. But we're gonna talk to y'all when we get out the car because we scared. So we finna. If you guys get this vlog over spring break, I just want to say I hope you guys really are enjoying I hope you are enjoying your spring break. Don't let nobody like ruin your spring break. Turn up, have your fun. Have your fun. Enjoy your life. You have one life to live, baby. Live it to the fullest. Don't, y'all, live your life. Don't let nobody control your life. If you feel like, I don't know, y'all. I just can't even say it. Like, I don't know. Just live your life, bro. But back to my music. Later, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm on shot number motherfucking. I don't even know. But we finna take another one. This is the last one. Good. Alright, you ready? Yeah, we in 7-Eleven, my boy. Should I do a spend a day with us? See a day vlog on my TikTok? Ooh. Trinity, stop. I'm feeling that liquor, yo. Yo, for real. Like, I took 5 shots, Trinity, or 4. Big ones. Alright, hey, y'all, we got somebody else. Hey, y'all. She looked good. I had to put her in the vlog. Alright, y'all. Sorry, y'all. We out here. I done took like 7, 8 shots. 9, 10. My spring break finna be great. I swear to God. Alright, let's get away from this police, though.
Hi. Oh.
Hey, you got YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
What's your YouTube?
I'm gonna subscribe.
I got you. Alright, y'all. Hold on. We just put people in the vlog. You know, the shots got me feeling good.
What's your YouTube?
And could I have a sauce for my popcorn chicken? Y'all, this is where we're at. Ooh, Le Granger. One of each, please.
One of each.
Look, y'all. This is the menu at Le Granger.
Thank you.
We're here. We're getting food right now. And we're gonna go to the car and munch down. I'm not gonna lie. So, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get in the car. Alright, y'all. We in the car. Hey, you gotta stop talking, boy. We on vlog now, okay? You gotta keep you undercover.
Yeah, you not like what? You gotta put the music over this.
Alright, you want, oh yeah, seat warmer.
Voice what? What is that?
Swipe down. They gave me, it smelled hot. I'm like, wait.
My ranch.
You put all the sauces in, you could have taken right here too. Your fries look good as fuck. Oh, sorry, Trini, sorry.
Okay. Get one. You want it?
No, I got some myself. Here. It's you.
I got ranch.
Oh.
I don't know what that is. Hey.
Oh no, wait, my camera dirty. Hold on, sorry. Let me see on my cameras. Estee's on the phone. And she clocking business like, oh my. Let me go, bye y'all. I feel good. It's 4:48. We going on a secret mission. I'm gonna get back to y'all later. Oh my God, we both. These are the people that was here.
Right fucking.
I wanna go. Hey y'all, it's me again, and as y'all can see, I'm in the outfit that I had on at the beach. Y'all watched it because this Fashion Nova outfit, thick, perfect. It just make everything, you know, feel good. It make me warm. That's one. And for it to be short sleeve, it's really thick. Like y'all, I promise. Like for real, Fashion Nova, you get your money's worth. Sheen. Okay, word off Sheen if you want. But y'all, I had watched this because I like this outfit so much. So we finna wear this again. We're going to a pool party. My homegirls had invited me. It starts later on, but I still have to go to Miami and run and do some running around. This will be my last time. I can't say this is my last time in Miami, but I'm gonna try to stop going to Miami because I am putting miles on my car, and I didn't have plans on going down there, but the party is down there. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna talk to y'all probably when I get in the car, because right now I'm just in the house and I'm trying to like pack up my bag and make sure I have everything before I go. And as of right now, I think I have everything. Ooh, y'all can't see that. I did my bed. See it? Mm-hmm. And then, yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna get back to y'all. I'm definitely gonna get back to y'all probably when I get down there, because right now it's only 7:45 and party starts at 11:45. So the party starts in 4 hours, but I have running around to do, and it's gonna take like 4 hours. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get in the car.
Tell them young niggas rap, but they gon' knock something down. If they gon' shoot, they'll shoot some. We better hear about this shit on the news, some. We better hear about this shit on the news, some. Man down. The coolest DJ in the world.
Alright, y'all. First shot of the night, shot number 1, y'all. I'm opening up my lemon drop, and I got Don Julio, some strawberry something, baby. I just know it's gonna be good. So that's all that I know. And I'm finna open up this. Give it a taste. Taking my 1 shot for tonight. And I gotta drive. I need this. Okay. Juice. Like I said, juice. It tastes like fucking juice. And I know I'm not tripping. Like, it literally tastes like juice. That's how it sneak up on you.
She put your own to the nigga, she coughing. She put your own to the nigga, she coughing. She put your own to the nigga, she coughing. I know they know just how to fuck, but don't nobody know how you know how to make love. Everybody needs somebody. We got Carlita in the vlog.
It's Jada's.
Wait, this is sweet? Oh shit. Hurry up, get to the bottom. I don't know why they got me out the house. How the fuck this work? Like, they got me out the house. We finished 1 bottle. But I don't know what time it is. We'll get back to y'all when we get in the party type shit. Oh shit, Mom, we at the party.
Yeah. They don't have to keep it playing yet. Nigga play with me, I'ma knock off his face. Call Draco and say they gon' lay that bitch spray. On the ground. If it really beefing, why you thinking about your man or your man? Can't catch it, they can't
Yeah, we fucked up. It's like motherfucking, ain't gonna lie, it's like 1 in the morning.
Right here. Oh, there's another one.
Everybody that's here.
Yeah, we got 2. Can I take a picture? Yeah. Of the box of you. Oh, nobody.
I seen somebody I know here, bro. Like, that shit crazy. Who eating? Oh, what the fuck?
That's not okay. I'm not forgiving you for that.
Oh, wow, Ty. Ty hungry. I know that's right, y'all.
I was on a y'all.
We ain't never paid to get in this bitch. We ain't never paid to get in this bitch, y'all. I'm with all my homegirl.
Yeah, all that yum.
Hold on, wait, y'all. I'm drunk.
No, it's not turned to us, friend. Sorry, I can't see you right now. Get out of the light.
On some shit. Get in. Yeah, we out.
Hi.
We out.
What's up, yums? All that.
We out. Hold on, wait. Where's she at?
Get it, GoPro. Get it, GoPro.
No, there's some motherfucking Osmo Pocket 3. This was $558.
Get it, Jermaine, with the money.
Yeah, this shit go with the motherfucking. This shit go with the motherfucking. It go reels and all. Instagram reels and pictures.
I know that shit right. I know that shit right.
Man, who you know?
Yeah,
Who
nobody.
You know? All right, get everybody in the vlog. And hey, y'all. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Let me turn it back around. Wait.
Alright, bet.
It's background to you. All right, there you go. Talk to the vlog. What you got to say? Who you think the drunk is gonna
We didn't
be?
pay shit to get into this motherfucker.
Who you think the patient?
Who you think gonna be the drunkest?
Who you think gonna be the drunkest?
Clearly, he's the drunkest at the moment.
No, I'm not.
No, because he's the driver. He's not the drunkest.
I'm not. Who you think gonna be the drunkest? Who you think gonna be the drunkest?
Me.
Okay.
What
Who you think gonna be the drunkest?
The 2 drivers? Me.
No, wait, who gonna let me fuck? Me!
All right. All right, wait. All right. Who you think gonna be the drunkest?
So late. It was so good.
But she gonna sober up when it comes time. I always sober up.
Yeah, all right. Who you think gonna be the drunkest, Coco? Who you think gonna be the drunkest?
No, this one's already open.
I think Jermaine's gonna be the drunkest.
Jermaine?
And Ty.
Ty? All right, who you think?
I think it's me.
Oh.
I think it's me.
You drunk?
Oh yeah, I'm fucking drunk
Damn.
as fuck.
All right, I think the drunkest. I think the drunkest gonna be
gonna let me
Ty.
hit
I ain't even gonna go lie.
Yeah, but Ty, I didn't make that. Ty, you need to get it together.
I'm
sorry, I'm just trying to go Jermaine.
But nah, y'all, I've been driving drunk, bro, since yesterday, bro. I'm good, I promise.
Since yesterday.
What? It's Tyler.
Yeah, I promise.
That's not Jada.
All right. The night's still young.
Yeah, we just walked past him and he over here.
I don't know how y'all doing that shit, boy. I'm already drunk, boy.
Oh my god, there's too much going on.
I'm trying to score the shit on y'all. No, I'm letting y'all know if I see my hoe and y'all just see me crash out.
To get my life together, leave these on the low. Pray to God I can lead these streets like this shit get water hole. I'm trying to run my digits up at the same time, walk them crackers on. Bitch, I call you and pick it up. What the fuck these on me on the left road? I'm a walking all these niggas. Do you love me? I ain't trying to fit on sorrow. Got that baby like a fucking Monte Carlo. I've been trying to find some peace and only God knows. I'm vibing. Hey y'all, we in this bitch though, we in the circle. Fuck run with all them, fuck run with all them, fuck run with all them. Alright, we out. Alright, wait, where to go?
I was saying before, this camera rudely died. This is me. I know I look a little wrinkled and a little like the other days, but y'all, I just wanted to grab something real quick. My mama had called me and she was like, oh, you want to get a new phone? Because she just got the 16 Pro Max. And I was like, why not? It'll be for my content. I can put it on my thumbnail, new phone, you know, new tattoo, and everything. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm finna get ready to go to Miami right now. Yes, I'm in Miami 3 days back to back, y'all. I don't know how I do it. I'm a strong survivor. Yeah, I don't know how I do the Miami back to back. I am a strong survivor, honestly. That's just how I feel. I'm about to go head to the gas station and go pick up something before I head to Miami, and then I have to head to Miami fast because the place closed at 5. And I low-key really want to get this phone, so I'm finna go, y'all, and I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get down there. All right, y'all, we here. We about to get a new phone. Mommy, what?
That last phone.
I want a white or a black phone this time. I want a black phone. All right, y'all. We got a 16
Okay,
Pro
because
Max.
the 262 numbers come into it instead of the 266.
That's the 8685, right?
Yeah, that's the number it's supposed to shoot.
That's the number it's supposed to.
Unless they want to bring you home.
We out here. Thank you, mother. Hey, y'all, again. So, this is going to be a part of the part 2 vlog. Because the part 1 vlog, I'm about to start editing. Alright, y'all. So, first shot of today. I'm finna take a shot and then I'm finna go tell my cousins to get ready. I gotta see what he tastes like. Because his shit all... Look, all his shit tastes like juice. So, it's like...
I don't know much about that Bible, never felt like I needed. I told my mama that I got her when I make it easy for all the years she took care of me and my brother. We ballin' out now, we ain't up in the bleachers. You hear my songs on the radio, baby, turn still super it's on us. And I do this shit for all of my loners, screaming to the top of my lungs. I'ma make it, gotta speak it to existence, and you gotta have patience. Just stay in your lane, fuck anybody hating, no pun intended. It's so hard, I still play it like fun exists. Teach the kid my friends on. Niggas try to talk to me, I put them in that friend zone. Sophisticated thug, you know the suit top 10 zone. We be off the hand, dog, don't chase it with nothing. On the chest with some commas with no drama, respect, loyalty, money and power. I got it, bitch, I got it. Oh, I got it, bitch, I got it. Yeah, I got it. What you did to me, fucking so crazy. You twirling and spinning in my head, keep on spinning. My legs keep on shaking, but my head let's keep on sipping. Let's make some babies and make it official. I feel you inside. No.
We got. Come on. What's up, y'all? We got what the fuck is shit on his ass out. We got Julio, we got Troy, we got that motherfucking gallery in this bitch. I'm smoking designer on you bitches. I'm smoking cookie chips on Hoya.
They doing that. Go up something, please. Oh no, that was the top. Alright, y'all, we here. This is the fair from the parking lot. It's beautiful. I'm ready to go eat. Y'all, I'm in. We just made up. Express and regular. I don't know who they feeling like today, but.
When they got the 25 extra.
Yeah, we is here. Oh, this is the first thing I'm getting. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Hopefully we don't get hit. I'm gonna finish my video real quick. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna go look for a ride to get on right now. I don't know. I hope it stay like not packed like this.
Hey guys, this is my brother. The queen is here. It's so tea like. Wait, let me fish that. Let me sit like that. You get that shit like
Okay.
Lace is fancy hair loud.
Okay.
Yeah, that's just that. Wait, I can't say it. Bro, am I really that short? No, baby, look down. Ain't messing with me. Y'all not messing with him. Never. Look at him in the back.
Could never, would
No
never,
bars.
should
One,
never.
one. We out.
Hey y'all, we out here. We finna hop on that. Just for a little bit, y'all. We just been chilling here. It's 9:24, bro. We've been here sitting in all these lines with Express. Show them your fucking wristband.
Do you have a wristband?
No, bro. Express not all the way up there. Look at that fucking line. Shit ridiculous. Y'all, we crossing the bridge. Nah, I hate going down the bridge. Alright, y'all, so this might just be the end of this video. As y'all can see, bro, I be teed, bro. I be teed, okay? I be teed, y'all. So stay tuned. Stay with me. Because I see y'all messing with me with the other videos. I see my videos going up. I see my potential, bro. I see my supporters, bro. Like, it's crazy. Like, y'all don't, I don't know. I don't even know how to, I don't know what to say, but thank you. Like, thank you for everybody that's actually tuning into my channel and actually watching and actually, like, you know, messing with me.